What we do here is go back.
Hey lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. This is your girl DT for you, and I'm back again with another video, and this time we're doing head wrap tutorial. Yes, it's gonna be a tutorial. You guys have been asking me, can you do a head wrap tutorial video? Did you even tie your hair? I haven't seen you tie your hair. You don't ever tie your hair. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 4 ways you can actually use your head wraps and still look all put together. Even when you have your hair as crazy as mine is right now, you can still be cute, and stunning. I have my natural hair on right now, so it's super easy for me to just like wrap it up and just tie it. And you just tie it and go. But you can basically do it with any hairstyle you have on, even on your wigs, guys. Yes, you can also tie your head wraps even on your wigs. So I'm gonna show you right now how to style your head wraps. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a thumbs up if you do like the styles, and I will be seeing you right up in the next hairstyle.